Welcome to a masterclass in spatial transformation. For years, there has been a lingering misconception that luxury requires massive acreage. But in the realm of high-end landscape architecture, we are seeing a profound shift. The most breathtaking, aspirational spaces being designed today are often the smallest. A tiny backyard is not a limitation. It is an incredible opportunity for absolute, uncompromising perfection. When you are working with a limited footprint, every single square inch must be justified. You aren't spreading your budget across half an acre of generic lawn. You are concentrating it into a jewel box of design. This concentration allows for a level of material quality and bespoke detailing that would be cost-prohibitive on a larger scale. We are moving away from standard patio blocks and basic fencing and stepping into the world of high-contrast, ultra-luxurious aesthetics. In this session, we are going to break down the exact high-ticket design principles used to elevate a basic small space into a breathtaking luxury oasis. We will explore the power of crisp geometry, the impact of custom architectural features, and the necessity of premium finishes. Prepare to look at your small backyard in an entirely new light. The very foundation of a luxury small space relies on flawless geometry. In a tiny yard, organic, sprawling curves can often make the area feel cluttered and confusing. Instead, we rely on crisp, high-contrast lines to create a sense of order, expansiveness, and modern sophistication. A critical element in achieving this flawless look is the use of premium artificial turf. While natural grass has its place in a highly curated, ultra-luxurious tiny oasis, artificial turf provides an absolutely perfect, unyielding emerald green that never fades, never overgrows, and requires zero maintenance. But it's not just about laying down a square of green, it is about how that turf interacts with the hardscaping. We are seeing designers use turf as a geometric inlay. Imagine a sharp, perfect rectangle of vibrant green turf intersected by large-format, cool gray porcelain pavers or bordered by sleek black basalt. This creates a high-contrast visual tension that is incredibly striking. The crisp edge where the pristine turf meets the stone is what signals high-end design. It tells the eye that this space is meticulously controlled and perfectly engineered. Once the ground plane is established with perfect geometry, we must look to the vertical boundaries. In a small backyard, your fences or retaining walls are constantly in your line of sight. Standard wooden slats simply will not cut it in a luxury oasis. We need architectural boundaries. One of the most highly sought-after details in this year is the use of fluted concrete. This technique introduces a rhythmic vertical texture that plays beautifully with the sun, casting long, elegant shadows throughout the day and providing a dramatic canvas for uplighting at night. Fluted walls elevate a simple boundary into a massive, bespoke piece of sculpture. When constructing these structural boundaries, establishing a flawless base is paramount. Ensuring your cement foundations are expertly primed before applying precision spray-on plaster or casting those fluted details guarantees a finish that withstands the elements while looking incredibly expensive. Whether painted in a crisp architectural white or a moody slate gray, a highly textured concrete wall provides a sense of permanence and exclusivity that completely transforms the atmosphere of the yard, making it feel like a private boutique resort. To truly define an outdoor room without making a small space feel claustrophobic, we have to look up. A traditional pergola with 4 heavy posts can visually chop a tiny yard in half, ruining the sense of openness. The high-ticket solution is the modern cantilevered pergola. A cantilevered structure is an engineering marvel that extends overhead while only being supported on one side. By utilizing sleek, heavy-duty materials like matte black steel or dark bronze aluminum, these pergolas appear to defy gravity, floating weightlessly over your lounging or dining area. This creates an unparalleled sense of openness while still providing necessary shade and an architectural ceiling. The cantilevered pergola also acts as a visual frame. It draws the eye upward, making the walls feel taller and the space feel grander. It is the perfect structure to house hidden, integrated LED lighting or to mount sleek, modern outdoor heaters. The clean lines and structural daring of a cantilevered roof immediately signal cutting-edge, ultra-luxurious design. With a foundation, boundaries, and canopy in place, we focus on the elements that bring the space to life. A luxury oasis requires a focal point, and nothing grounds a seating area quite like a bespoke fire bowl. We are moving far beyond the standard fire pit. We are looking at custom cast, low-profile concrete bowls or raw geometric steel vessels that look like modern art, even when they aren't lit. A roaring, perfectly controlled flame against the crisp geometry of the turf and the textured concrete creates a hypnotic, high-contrast visual. To elevate the entire aesthetic to the highest possible standard, we introduce the jewelry of the garden, brushed brass hardware accents. In a landscape dominated by lush greens, cool grays, and matte blacks, a touch of warm metallic brass provides an incredible pop of sophistication. We're seeing brushed brass used in unexpected, highly curated ways. It might be the sleek joining hardware on your cantilevered pergola, the handle on a hidden outdoor cabinet, or a stunning minimalist wall sconce mounted against the fluted concrete. These small, meticulously chosen metallic details catch the golden hour sunlight and the evening firelight, ensuring that the space feels opulent and intentionally designed down to the very last screw. Transforming a tiny backyard into an unbelievable luxury oasis is an exercise in restraint, precision, and the relentless pursuit of quality. It is about understanding that less is truly more, provided that the less is executed flawlessly. By combining the crisp, high-contrast geometry of pristine artificial turf with the monumental texture of fluted concrete walls, you set an aspirational stage. Introduce the gravity-defying elegance of a cantilevered pergola and ground the space with a bespoke fire bowl. Finally, finish the composition with the warm, sophisticated glint of brushed brass hardware. The result is a space that rivals the world's most exclusive resorts, situated right out your back door. Approach your small space not with limitations in mind, but with the vision of creating a flawless, concentrated masterpiece. Thank you for joining this exploration of high-end landscape architecture.